When I said I want you, I meant it. I know you would come along, girl, I dreamt it. I need you, I mean it. Your energy, I can feel. When I said I want you, I meant it. I know this day would come, I dreamt it. I need you, I mean it. The truth me I reveal.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless all our greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, and lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Livefoot TV, another man of peace. I will set the violence of the streets, live in love, unity, and strength. Yes, what I say? Anyone there checking up on a vlog here, don't know love and blessings, guidance, and protection upon you and your loved ones. You get me? Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell, please and thanks. Yes, we see so now watch, but when you hit the like button, make sure you hit the like button before you leave. Is that me answer? Yes, man, I know we can't start the vlog without saying thank you all for your continuous support. Yes, man, another vlog, you know what I mean? You know why, so we keep it real on the backfield. In this episode, me personally ask a question: how Venessa Bling and Vybz Kartel hasn't linked up yet in person. See, I'm going to show you one video. See what I say? And also a Jamaican actor in the UK by the name of Michael Ward has been charged for sexual assault and rape. Not a good look. You see what I say? You know, when it comes to the female, them, I'm a big advocate, you know what I mean, to the ladies, them, you know what I mean, stop the violence against women. You see me, we also have a soldier man here. You know that man here? The man that zone, the man that dance out, hell you know, yo, the man that yo, we are telling you, what you are going. You see it, we see Intence and Alkaline, the man himself, in the studio, so look out for your new single forward. So me answer, yes man, so don't go nowhere now, we are forward.
When I said I want you, I meant it. I know you would come along, girl, I dreamt it. I need you, I mean it. Your energy, I can feel. When I said I want you, I meant it. I know this day would come, I dreamt it. I need you, I mean it. The truth me I reveal.
People big up on yourself, you know, say a song that I want you, please go and check it out. Yeah man, you know we are pursuing music too. We need peace, we need opportunity, you know what I mean? We not stop trying. So me I say so. Check out the music them on iMaric page. So me I say I want you right now. It'll go on a look of buzz. Nothing major, but you never know, you see me? Tomorrow we might wake up and see it blow, you know? Blow up, yeah. Yeah, me I say. Yeah man. But anyway, we could kick off the vlog right now. A Jamaican British actor, Michael Ward, charged by the UK police with rape and sexual assaults. See, a Jamaican British actor, so it's based in the UK, and this is not a good look on him. You know what I mean? You know, we not love man, we not admire man, but look how the gentleman looks smooth, man. You see me? Look how the man looks smooth and cool, can get any female. You see me? But we don't know what going for allegation or if got frame or a real thing going. You see me? But you say stop the violence against women. If the woman them not give, walk away. So the article states, British actor Michael Ward has been charged with rape and sexual assault, police said Friday. The 27-year-old faces 2 counts of rape and 3 counts of sexual assault. The Metropolitan Police Force said the charges relate to one woman and the offences reportedly took place in January 2023. So that is 2 years ago. Jano style. Michael Ward, Wagwan Papa. Now I'm a lion, I'm a lioness. This can be true, this can be lie, this can be wrongly accused. But when the name call upon them thing, there is very damaging, you know what I mean? You can say film career, don't know, British actor, you know. You see me? I don't know if the female is black or white, but sometimes I see these men, when them get successful, them tend to go for the white, you know, instead of the black. And the white, you would say, will more be the ones who more likely to draw the allegation or press charges and say that go on. You see me? We see it happen time and time again with footballers. Thomas Partey, former Arsenal player Thomas Partey is going through the same thing right now. You know what I mean? Yeah, so you might deal with them and everything cozy and smooth. And when I say it done or it nah work or you just have a look of fun, then them tell lie on you and say, yo, that go on. You know what I mean? And sometimes it go on so for true, because when the female them say no, you still force them against them will. In England and America, and maybe other countries as well, that we come across as grape. When the female them say no, you still force them and take it, that come across as grape. It's not like, same thing in Jamaica, but Jamaica will more bypass it, you see me, and look over it. I turn a blind eye their face. But in the UK, America, you have to be careful. So Michael Ward, Jaja, you have to just face a judgment and innocent till proven guilty. You know what I mean? And guilty until proven innocent. But let me know what you think about that, my viewers and subscribers. And I'm sad. You see, say, 27-year-old, all of him career burn up, you see it? I know we say stop the violence against women. To the man them, if the relationship now work, walk away. If the woman says she not like us, don't try to force her if you like her, force up yourself. Walk away. There's many fishes out, many women out there, you know what I mean? Enough women out there, you see me? Just you have to just know, say, you'll be the bigger person and walk away. You can go find the next woman, you see it? Stop the violence against women. Alright. Next, some of viewers and subscribers, we see that picture here with Alkaline and Intence, in the studio. So more likely them good all cook up something and work on a collaboration, and if it is a collaboration, as that's gonna be a big one. People are gonna be looking out for it. You know what I mean? And we know Intence recently featured on the New Rules. You see me? In a Jamaica already, the last one we keep, you see it, and you want Alkaline a link. You get to me and say, and Intence drop some shade after Kartel too, so. A good look still, and I mean, maybe, you see it, the man himself had do it himself, and he might link with some of the young gen of them, the ones them who not really getting a look in their business. We know the business of politics, you see it, filled with politics. You get me? So, let me know what you think about that. You see it, me personally, I wait for you hear the song. Hear what kind of song, if a girl song, gun song, or what, Yeah, man, but big up Alkaline, big up Intence. Next, now, my viewers and subscribers, my Kings and Queen Line and Lioness. This is a question that I've been asking. Well, me I wonder all along, how comes Venessa Bling the link up with the world boss yet, with the king of dancehall, you see me? Mr. Lisa I link up. And most of the people have link up with the teacher them. You see me I say, but when I say Venessa Bling, you see me? And she have some of the biggest songs with Kartel collaboration, you see it? Watch what I go on.
Introducing Venessa Bling. Every girl them will tell them man say me have a
Yes, man, and a normal sitting, man. You see me, you hear the crowd, look on the crowd, looking at the stadium, looking at the arena. You see me? Yes, man. Anyway, Venessa Bling sing that song, yeah. You see the effect with her. Whether she perform it or we see Kartel come a road and I do it, I perform it too. And look on the reaction, man. Jaja. But like myself and others, people are wondering how comes she no link up with Vybz Kartel yet. First and so long the man down the road, they down the road, you see me? But let me know in the comment section, my viewers and subscribers, why is that? You think she avoid him or she doesn't get the chance yet to link up with him, you see me? Let me know, you see me answer? Yes, man. Now we are close off the show with the soldier, man. Well, them say man soldier, them say man a soldier. Watch how the man a go on, man. The man a enjoy himself. Hey, yeah, some hard stuff that the man a go on with, man. Yo! Yo, anything Papa catch say trouble, man. Yeah, man. Watch all the two generally on the right side and the left side. Man, the man and the elements are putting some skank in there too, But like I'm a lioness, so I say, but though, you're the man I react to the rhythm, you know. And the rhythm, the man I dance to, you know. And when the selector say, you know, wiggle. Yo, when the selector pull up, I scratch the man I use the man and I scratch to, you know. Yo, but I like, I say, go, man, the man enjoy themselves, man. One life and you have to live it and enjoy yourself. Yo, the soldier man, all that dirty wine. And dirty wine, nothing, man, do. Yo, the man, I put down some skank in there, the one. Yo, the man on the left and the one on the right there, I tell you, yo. That, like, I love to see this still. They see me have fun over war, you know? Yo. Big up soldier and him two warrior them. Yo. Man, them put on some skank in there and like them get in the groove, you know, man. That's some bad with the bad chap to, you know. Anyway, viewers and subscribers at the end of the vlog, you know. Thanks for watching to the end if you have done so. You see me, I say you don't know. Thanks for your continued support. Don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell and the man of peace. You see me, I say, yeah, man, big up Alkaline, big up Intence, big up Vybz, Kartel, big up Venessa Bling. You don't know. You see me, I say, big up the dancer them. Yeah, man. Yes, my people. Thanks for watching. If you watch to the end, massive respect. See me? Don't forget to like and share the content. See? Big up on yourself. Peace.